Good morning, everyone. Let me begin with a question. Have you ever been in a room that suddenly came to life when a certain someone walked in? Maybe the conversation picked up, laughter filled the space, and people who were previously quiet started opening up. That more often than not is the presence of an extrovert at work. Today, I want to talk about a group of people whose energy is often mistaken for a mere enthusiasm but is in truth a driving force behind our most dynamic environments, extroverts. Are extroverts truly vital for creating vibrant social and professional spaces? I firmly believe they are, with their vibrant sociability, boundless enthusiasm, and generally optimistic outlook. Extroverts play an indispensable role in energizing people and fostering growth, whether personal settings or within the workplace. To begin with, extroverts are naturally energized by social interaction, a key trait that sets them apart from introverts, who recharge with solitude. But this sociability isn't just small talk or surface level engagement. It's a powerful force that fosters inclusivity, motivation, and momentum. Psychological research supports this. Extroverts are typically more assertive and action-oriented. According to Costa and McRae's foundational personality studies, these are traits directly linked to leadership and success. Their comfort in openly expressing emotions than not only strengthens interpersonal connections but also encourages healthier team dynamics. Think about own experiences. Who tends to step up in a group settings, break the ice in awkward silences, or get everyone aligned with settings go off track. Often, it's the extroverts among us. Their approachable and friendly demeanor is more than charming. It's glue that brings people together and fosters diverse, enriching networks. Now, I understand the arguments some might make. The introverts, with their depth and introspection, are better suited for innovation or leadership. And it's true, reflection is powerful. But we need balance. Extroverts complement this reflection by turning ideas into action. They spark energy into projects that might otherwise stall in endless planning. The American Psychological Association reported in 2019 that extroverts experience higher levels of social engagement, which contributes to better mental well-being and increased productivity. Their natural inclination to take risks and lead bold initiatives is precisely to what pushes teams forward in today's fast-paced world. And beyond the workplace, extroverts serve as social catalysts. Their enthusiasm is the contagious. They create spaces where participation is encouraged and excitement is welcomed. They break down social barriers and give quieter individuals a chance to shine, not by overshadowing them, but by inviting them in. This is not attention seeking, it's community building. In schools, in offices, in communities, extroverts infuse life into places that might otherwise remain stagnant. They are the spark that ignites collaboration, connection, and creativity. So where do we go from here? It's time we stop viewing extroversion and introversion as a competition and start seeing them as a partnership. But more importantly, we must recognize and uplift the individual role that extroverts play in shaping our environments. Whether you are an extrovert yourself or someone who benefit from their presence, acknowledge it. Celebrate it. Let them lead with confidence and support them in doing so. Let us create workplaces that welcome their energy. Let us build communities that thrive under enthusiasm. Let us allow their voices to be heard, not because they are louder, but because they help amplify the voices of everyone around them. Because when extroverts lead with compassion, the rest of us feel empowered to rise with them. Thank you.